I started this channel to show that old hardware still has life in it and that you can do this kind of shit with stuff you have lying about at home. So I have a challenge. I'm going to take a 1050 Ti and a 960 and I'm going to overclock them using cooling methods that you can do at home. I'm going to post my Heaven score, which is free, and then you're going to beat that score. And whoever has the highest by March the 30th, 2026 will win a prize. Probably a t-shirt, don't get too excited. Full rules are in the description. Let's do this. They are the scores to beat. Discord is below March 30th, 2026 deadline. I'll do 2 categories, vault mods and no vault mods, so 4 prizes total. Good luck.